Welcome to News Edge, your sharpest source for daily headlines and deep dives. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay ahead of the curve. Tesla once seemed unstoppable, a company that could do no wrong in the eyes of the world. It made electric cars not just practical, but cool and futuristic, something people aspired to own. For years it was the undisputed king of the EV world, selling more electric cars than anyone else and sending its stock price soaring to dizzying heights. Elon Musk, the visionary leader at the helm, promised a future filled with clean energy, self-driving cars and constant innovation, and millions of people believed in that vision. But now, in 2025, the story has changed dramatically. The magic that once surrounded Tesla is fading, and the company faces its biggest challenge yet, one that threatens its very identity. Sales growth has slowed to a crawl, and in some key markets, sales are actually dropping for the first time in years. Once the only real choice for a great EV, Tesla now faces fierce competition from all sides, with new electric vehicles launching almost every month. Other car companies, some with decades of experience, have caught up, building their own electric vehicles that rival or even surpass Tesla's in quality and features. The road ahead for Tesla looks bumpy and uncertain, filled with obstacles that didn't exist just a few years ago. Wall Street, which once cheered Musk's every move and rewarded Tesla with sky-high valuations, is now nervous and skeptical. Investors see falling sales, shrinking margins, and tough questions about Tesla's future that no one seems able to answer. Is Tesla still a growth company, or has it become just another car maker? The stock price has taken a serious hit, shaking confidence. Regular people who believed in the dream, owners, fans, and employees, are feeling the pain and uncertainty. Confidence is cracking under the weight of these new problems, and the sense of invincibility is gone. This isn't just a bad quarter or a temporary setback, it feels like a true turning point in Tesla's story. For the first time, people are seriously asking, can Tesla actually fail? Is the dream over? The company, always defined by bold promises and big ambitions, now faces urgent practical problems that demand immediate solutions. Musk has overcome tough times before, pulling Tesla back from the brink more than once, but the stakes now are higher than ever. The world is watching closely, waiting to see what he'll do next and whether Tesla can find its magic again. Tesla's golden era, the age of easy wins and constant hype, is over. The question now is simple, but profound. Can Tesla rise again, or is this the end of an era? So, what went wrong with Tesla, the company that once seemed unstoppable? Just a few years ago, if you wanted a good electric car, Tesla was really your only choice. The company was a pioneer, setting the standard for performance, range, and technology in the EV world. But now, the landscape has changed dramatically. Every major automaker has jumped into the electric vehicle race. Ford, Hyundai, Volkswagen, and especially fast-growing Chinese brands like BYD and NIO are all competing for attention. The market is more crowded than ever before, and buyers have a dizzying array of choices. It's no longer just about Tesla. To keep up, Tesla has been forced to slash prices, which has taken a toll on its profits and shaken its image as a luxury brand. Once seen as a premium, aspirational brand, Tesla now finds itself locked in a fierce price war with rivals, fighting to maintain its market share. Meanwhile, the electric vehicle market itself is evolving rapidly, with new models launching almost every month. In the early days, Tesla's customers were mostly tech enthusiasts, people willing to pay more, overlook flaws, and embrace new technology. Today, the mass market is looking for something different. Affordable, practical cars that fit their everyday needs and budgets. Concerns about range, charging time, and price are now front and center for buyers, making the competition even tougher. Despite recent price cuts, Tesla's cars are still more expensive than many traditional gas vehicles, making it harder to win over budget-conscious shoppers. On top of that, Elon Musk's focus on other ventures, and his increasingly controversial public statements, have made some potential buyers uneasy about supporting the brand. People want to feel good about the company they buy from, and brand reputation matters more than ever in a crowded market. As a result, some loyal Tesla fans are now switching to other brands, attracted by new features, lower prices, or simply a fresh start. Fierce competition, a rapidly shifting market, and a polarizing CEO have created a perfect storm of challenges for Tesla. Tesla is no longer the only game in town, it's just one player in a global race. The company is now fighting for every single customer, working harder than ever to stand out. Its future is more uncertain than ever before, The pressure is on, and the stakes are high. The big question now, can Tesla adapt and innovate fast enough to survive, or will it be left behind as the EV revolution accelerates? Facing these challenges, Elon Musk is making his boldest bet yet. He's scrapped plans for a cheaper mass-market car, the so-called Model 2. Instead, Musk is betting everything on robotaxis and full self-driving technology. He's shifting Tesla from a car company to an AI and robotics company. The new Vision fleets of self-driving Teslas operating as taxis, earning money around the clock. It's a massive gamble, the technology isn't ready, and the risks are huge. Musk wants investors to look past falling sales and focus on a sci-fi future. He's trying to change the story. Tesla isn't just struggling with cars, it's on the verge of revolutionizing transportation. It's a desperate move. But if it works, it could be brilliant. The world is watching to see if Musk can pull off another miracle. Tesla's future now hinges on this high-stakes vision. Will it pay off or backfire? At the heart of Elon Musk's bold new plan is the robotaxi, a revolutionary network of fully autonomous vehicles that could completely transform the way cities function and how people move within them. Imagine a city where traffic flows smoothly, accidents are rare, and the streets are filled with intelligent cars that drive themselves. Instead of owning a car, you'd simply open an app and summon a self-driving Tesla whenever you need a ride. No more worrying about parking, maintenance, or insurance, just seamless, on-demand transportation at your fingertips, available day or night. With no driver behind the wheel, costs drop dramatically, making rides more affordable for everyone. Tesla, meanwhile, would earn revenue from every single trip, turning each car into a money-making asset. The robotaxi could be a purpose-built vehicle designed from the ground up with no steering wheel or pedals, just a spacious, comfortable, and efficient environment for passengers to relax, work, or socialize as they travel. Without the need for traditional driving controls, these vehicles would be cheaper and faster to build, and easier to maintain than today's cars, helping Tesla scale up production to meet global demand. But Tesla's vision goes far beyond just making cars. The company aims to create a global, automated transportation service that connects cities and people everywhere, reshaping how the world gets around. At the core of this system is advanced software that manages everything, matching riders to cars, optimizing routes for efficiency, handling payments, and constantly learning to improve the experience. If Tesla can pull this off, it would leap far ahead of competitors and potentially create an entirely new industry, changing the way we think about transportation forever. The robotaxi dream is about more than just launching a new car. It's about owning the future of mobility, making travel safer, cleaner, and more accessible for everyone. Investors are being sold a grand vision of Tesla as the beating heart of a new transportation ecosystem, one that could generate massive profits and reshape entire industries. It's an ambitious, risky, and potentially game-changing bet, one that could redefine what's possible in our cities. But in the end, it all depends on one thing: making self-driving technology truly work safely and reliably in the real world. The robotaxi dream depends entirely on full self-driving, or FSD. FSD is Tesla's software that aims to let cars drive themselves, no human needed. Tesla has been developing this for years, using cameras and AI to navigate roads. Right now, FSD is still in beta. It can do impressive things, but it's not perfect. Human drivers still need to pay attention and take over if needed. For robotaxis to work, FSD must become nearly flawless, safe enough for you to nap in the back seat. Tesla's strategy: collect data from millions of cars, use it to train the AI, and improve the system faster than anyone else. This data advantage is Tesla's secret weapon. But solving true self-driving is one of the hardest problems in tech. Many experts think it's still years away. There are huge technical and legal hurdles. Musk is betting his company can solve them first. The fate of Tesla now rests on its AI engineers. It's all or nothing. Imagine Musk is right and Tesla cracks full self-driving soon. Governments approve it and robotaxis hit the streets. The impact would be revolutionary, like the internet or smartphone. Tesla's value would skyrocket and its stock would soar. Every Tesla could become a money-making asset for its owner. Demand for Teslas would explode, solving the sales problem overnight. Cities would change: less traffic, fewer parking lots, safer roads. Transportation would be cheaper, cleaner, and more efficient. Tesla would dominate a brand new industry, making money from cars, rides, and software. The company's current struggles would be forgotten. This is the dream Musk is selling, a world-changing victory. If it works, Tesla's place in history is secure. The stakes couldn't be higher. But what if the plan fails? If full self-driving proves too hard, Tesla could be in serious trouble. The company would have canceled its affordable car, with nothing new to fight competitors. Rivals would dominate the mass market, while Tesla's sales keep falling. Billions spent on AI and supercomputers would yield no return. The stock price could collapse, and investor faith would vanish. Tesla might scramble to restart the cheap car project, but it would be years behind. The company could shrink into just another struggling automaker. The magic would be gone, replaced by disappointment. Failure here isn't just a setback. It could threaten Tesla's very survival. The risk is existential. Tesla stands at a crossroads. One path leads to world-changing success, the other, to decline. By canceling the safe plan for a cheaper car, Musk has forced Tesla to go all in on AI and robotaxis. The company's identity is shifting, from car maker to tech pioneer. Success is now measured by AI breakthroughs, not car deliveries. The pressure on Tesla's engineers is immense. Teams working on current cars may feel sidelined as resources shift to the robotaxi dream. It's a stressful, high-stakes environment. Ultimately, it comes down to belief. Do you trust Musk to pull off the impossible? He's defied the odds before, but this is his biggest gamble yet. Supporters see genius, critics see reckless risk. Tesla's future hangs in the balance. The next chapter will define everything. So can Elon Musk really save Tesla with this wild plan? The challenge is enormous. True self-driving is one of the hardest problems in tech. Many companies have tried and failed. The road is full of obstacles. But Musk has a history of beating the odds. SpaceX, the original Tesla, and more. His relentless drive and Tesla's data advantage are real strengths. Betting everything on robotaxis is classic Musk high risk, high reward. His ambition inspires, but it also leads to promises that are hard to keep. Tesla's future is more uncertain than ever. If the plan works, Tesla will make history. If it fails, the company could fade into irrelevance. The fate of Tesla now depends on solving one of the world's toughest tech puzzles. Can Musk do it? The world is watching. The next few years will decide everything.